То есть наш кейс, да, кейс по внедрению, по коммуникациям, насколько я помню, про правильно коммуницировать внутри команды, это тоже достаточно интересно. И потом уже изменения. Куршад, вам слово?
Yes, so thank you very much. As I told you, I mean, my English is not native, so everybody can understand. If you need any translation, or you can have. Otherwise, we can speak in, let's say, not monopoly, but we can speak together. If you have any question, please stop me, ask me in any language. My name is Kürşad Demirey. I'm
a bit closer to
yes. Okay. So my name is Kürşad Demirey. I'm from Palo Alto Networks. I worked at Palo Alto Networks 10 years, last 10 years. I'm responsible for the region, I mean Central Asia region, including Uzbekistan. Unfortunately, I'm not able to speak Russian. I'm trying to learn. It will take some time. Maybe in the next 5 years I can speak in Russian. But until that time, I will try to speak in English and Turkish. So I have technical background. I'm at networking and cybersecurity domain last 30 years. I'm working. Before I started at Siemens in GSM networks. Then I worked 10 years at Cisco network giant. I had double CCIE in routing and switching and security. In that time, even there was no CCIE number. Right now, there are some numbers, 50,000, 60,000 CCIE numbers. In my time, first time, there was no number. I was one of the first CCIE in the world. Then I saw everybody has a number. I asked.
Just one question. What do you mean by CCA?
CCA is a Cisco networking certification. This is the top level of CCA certification. So it is related with the networking.
Перед вами человек, который имеет больше 30 лет опыта безопасности. Начинал он в Сибири, больше 10 лет работал, потом работал в ЦСКА. Я просто кратко, да, и добился наиболее высшей сертификации в ЦСКА. CCIE.
This is the top level of certification in networking, by the way, at that time.
Это одна из самых высоких сертификаций по сетевой инфраструктуре. И в то время, когда он сертифицировался, таких людей еще было очень мало. Но это реально достаточно дорогой и большой курс. Долгий курс, во-первых, и там сама сертификация была 10 тысяч долларов. У нас есть в Ташкенте ребята, он английский.
So, I have technical background, but of course I will not speak about bits and bytes, because right now I'm a sales director in the region, and you are C-levels, or you also don't want to talk about the bits and bytes. So what I want to talk about today, cybersecurity problems, how we can solve these problems independent of the vendor. I'm from Palo Alto Networks, but I'm a technical guy, so I don't want to talk about our products. I want to talk about the solution in general. How we solve the problems. First, we have to identify the problems and how we are solving these problems. This is the topic today.
No.
Okay. This is a standard presentation. That's why I will not talk based on this presentation. Maybe we can talk together. We can ask. I can try to answer, or we can try to find the solutions. Can we go one more time?
Ликер?
No? Okay. Very shortly, Palo Alto Networks founded in 2005 to address a problem. Because in that time, the problem, security problem was solved by a firewall only. But firewall is not a solution, you know. This is the main product of cybersecurity. But in that time, it was not cybersecurity, it was network security.
Надо переводить.
Are you going to share the presentation with us?
Да. презентация будет, все презентации там чего нужно.
In that time, there was no cybersecurity in 2005, and our founders decided to solve cybersecurity problem in 2005, and they first invented next generation firewall. What was next generation firewall in that time? A product who knows your application, who knows your user, who knows everything about your company. So that was a really revolution, because before there was only IP address, port numbers, some technical parameters which is not valid anymore. Everybody is using now Google, everybody is using Yandex, Facebook, I don't know, Instagram. Those are not programmed. Those are really a very wide range of applications. And if you want to make a cybersecurity, you have to know your applications. What applications are you using? Are they really working properly, or they are doing some harmful actions? That's why you have to know your applications. And the second parameter, you have to know your user. Who is using this application? Somebody in the network, in HR, using Instagram. Is it okay or not? Or somebody is using in research and development department is using Facebook. Is it okay or not? So that's why you have to identify your applications and your users. That's why Palo Alto Networks created in 2004. And now we are more than 15,000 people and doing $8 billion worldwide in the cybersecurity area. And we have more than 15,000 people with 150 countries. So this is also marketing, but right now 95% of the Fortune 100 companies using us, 85,000, more than 5,000 enterprise customers are using us. This is again blah blah. I am just going through. So the main subject is this picture. I would like to speak about this picture because it's very complex. If I would be a cybersecurity expert or cybersecurity responsible person of a company, I would not sleep all night, because this is the picture. There are so many things used in the network: firewall, intrusion detection, URL filtering, blah 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 blah, SD1, remote access users, SASE, SSE, many things. And also there is a cloud. Maybe you are not using cloud, but there are somebody using cloud. And the third one is what I will talk about, that AI-driven Security Operations Center, SOC. So this is the environment what we are using right now in our network. And you have to deal all this stuff one by one every day, daily life. If you have any trouble, because people making attempt to breach your network maybe millions times, but by AI. And if you pass only one time, all investment, everything will be ruined. You will lose it. Any questions so far? Okay, very good, very good. So this is again the product portfolio of Palo Alto Networks end-to-end security solution. As you see, it's also very complex. It's very complex. We can start from here. There are some hardwares, there are some services, there are some again services from cloud, some enterprise solutions, many different products. And in the middle of this product portfolio, there is the AI-driven SOC, which is our topic today. Without this part, SOC, we cannot manage everything from here. So I would like to ask you one question. How many of you have a SOC or a plan of SOC or an idea of SOC? How many of you? Anybody who is, let's say, dealing with SOC? SOC, then I will talk about that very briefly. SOC is Security Operations Center. What's Security Operations Center? We will speak more detailed in the incoming slides. How much time do I have?
20 minutes.
20 minutes from now?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will keep very quick. So SOC, Security Operations Center, something like, I can make an analogy for SOC. You know Tesla. Tesla is a EV, electrical vehicle. So there are so many EVs in the world, from China, from America, and I know in Uzbekistan there are many brands in EVs. So what's the differentiation between Tesla and other EVs? Can I